Hi guys, it's been a while since we have filmed any kind of video or updated you guys, so I just thought that I would hop on here and update you guys with our lives here in Mexico City. I am doing some little home projects on our chairs, and so I wanted to take you along while I do that as well, and kind of just like show you an update with our house and decorating and such. So yeah, we have been in Mexico City now for 4 months, which is crazy. In some ways it seems longer, and then in other ways it seems like we haven't been here that long. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. There are going to be videos that are coming out soon of things that have happened these last 4 months. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that we got a dog, but I haven't updated anyone on YouTube yet about that, so those videos are gonna come out too. They happened, you know, a while ago, but I still feel like I want to upload them, and maybe you guys still want to see them, so I'm gonna put them on YouTube anyways, even though they are old clips. Right now, I am just trying to decorate the house a little bit, and so I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got and how I'm decorating. So excuse the mess on the table right now, but these baskets are above our dining room table. I'll give you guys a little close-up of them. So this is what they all look like. I will tell you where I got them from and a clip of me putting them up and trying to figure out the order of how to put them on the wall. But yeah, I got all of those in Las Vegas, and I flew with them in my check-in bag here. So I'll tell you where they're from, and then yeah, I'll insert those clips of me putting them up. This one up here is from TJ Maxx, and it was $25. This one, I'm pretty sure, was from Hobby Lobby, and it was, I think, like $15. This one was from Hobby Lobby. When I did my Hobby Lobby shopping, they were having 50% off wall decor, so I got all of this 50% off. This one I think was only like maybe $12, and then half off of that price. This one was from Hobby Lobby, and this one was from Hobby Lobby, and then this flowery one in the middle was from TJ Maxx and Home Goods as well. So that's where they are all from. And I kind of want to add a few more just because this wall is very, very big. I'll step back so you guys can see. But yeah, as you can see, it looks like it needs more on the wall, so I plan on adding some more. But yeah, I will insert those clips of me putting them up and trying to figure out where they all go. Okay, so right now I'm just laying them on the floor before I hang them up on the wall, just to make sure I know the style that I want, and I'm just kind of rearranging them. I think that these ones are too dark together and these ones are too light, so I kind of want to mix them up a little bit. But this is how I did my gallery wall too. I have a frame missing still. But you want to lay, like if you're assembling baskets or a gallery wall, you don't want to start, you know, nailing holes in the wall before you know what kind of layout you want. So I always start off by just getting a general idea of how I want to arrange the baskets or the frames, and then I go ahead and put them on the wall. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I think I've settled on this kind of arrangement. I think that there's a good mixture of the light next to the dark baskets. So I'm gonna start hanging those up now.
You wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right. You wake me up when the sun goes down.
Okay, so that is the finished product. So the next project that I'm working on is my chairs and wrapping them in this yarn, as you can see here. When we got this table, it turned out darker than I wanted it to be. As you can see, we have like a lot of wood in the house, and so I really wanted this to be a very light colored wood, and it basically matches perfectly our floors. So it just is very dark. So I wanted to break up some of the wood with a lighter color. So I got this yarn on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. And I'm just wrapping my chairs in it. This is what they look like without the yarn. And I just wanted it to look a little bit more like boho rustic kind of look, like farmhouse, I guess. So I wanted to wrap them in this yarn, and I think that it is working out pretty well. I'm pretty sure that this is macrame yarn. So I'll show you guys how I did it.
When the sun goes down, I can't help it, baby, not myself. When the sun goes down, I can't, baby, I can't, baby, I can't, baby,
Okay, so this lighting is really orange. I tried fixing it, but I don't really know how, so it's okay. I just look like an Oompa Loompa. So when I first started this, the first piece that you kind of have to keep on to be able to wrap it, I just tape it down with a little piece of tape. I'm gonna keep that there for a minute. And then I am grabbing my E6000 glue. You can get this at Michael's. And I am, ooh, I almost fell. And I am gluing down the very last piece that I just wrapped around, just on the end, and then I'm going to cut it. So I don't know if that really makes sense, I hope so. But also I cannot get this cap undone. Okay, and so I glued the last little piece of string right at the base, and as it dries, I'm just pulling this top piece. It's the same piece of string, but I'm just pulling it so that it is nice and tight. Okay, so Debbie just got home, and I'm gonna make us a really big, yummy salad. He's watching German Shepherd videos on Instagram. So I'm gonna take you guys into the kitchen with me and show you guys how I make our little salad. So when Debbie just got home, he brought me my favorite chai from a coffee shop here in Mexico City called Baker's. And they have a lot of baked goods as well, but their chai is actually the first chai that, it's a tongue twister. It's the first chai that I've tried here in Mexico City, but it tastes like my favorite one from Las Vegas. So I'm not mad about it. Yesterday I had 2 of them, and today I have one now. It's so good. So I'm not gonna even apologize about this mess, because you know what? This is real life. But these are the ingredients I'm going to use for our salad. We have some normal, like, I think this is romaine lettuce. I don't know the different kinds of lettuces, but I think this is romaine. Then I have some baby spinach as well. I'm going to use these mini peppers, a tomato, some red onion that is in this bag, a cucumber, and I'm going to heat up some of this chicken and put it on top. It's gonna be so good. Alright, so here's the finished product. This is the salad dressing that I'm using. Creamy balsamic. Heated up some of that chicken and gonna go bring it to the boy. Lunch is served. How is it good? So I'm just sitting here editing this video, and I planned to do 2 vlogs in one, but it just ended up being way too long. So this is where I'm ending this vlog, and didn't film an outro, so that's what I'm doing now. And in the next video you'll see David and I on paddle boats in like this cute little lake, and going to the zoo and just having a really nice day. So be on the lookout for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more. And also check the links that are down below to see more places that I hang out. See you guys.